Hi, mahal. Ako'y kanta para ninyo. Sabaw na kain. Masagli lang. Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. I love you for 1,000 years, mahal. Happy Mansari. Happy first Mansari. Sorry if kanina ako mabuhat, pero I just wanna show you how much I appreciate you, and thank you for coming into my life, John. Thankful kay ko ni God, kay ikaw may gihatag niya nako, and I really hope that you're the guy that I'm wishing for almost 1,000 years. And I just thought that ikaw, or unta ikaw, no? And I hope makaya na to tanan trials na moabot. I know na marag it's hard pa kay we need to adjust things, but kaya na ko. Ako i-wish na kaya na ko tanan, makaya na to. And kung kay lang ka, unsa na ko na appreciate tanan gibuhat nimo the first time we met, or the first week na nagkaila ta. Ito siya. Kanang all the things you did to me. Appreciate na ko kanang imo akong kwaon. And you make me feel so special, and because of that, I'm the luckiest girl alive. And I just think that your every moment's dream. Nansad ka. Kano. Ito siya, mahal. Thank you kaayo. Kay mo lang dyan ka, na-appreciate siya ko tanan yung gibuhat. Even though I'm so scared to love you, pero kana na kahadlok na ko akong alisdan og kanang trust, love, para mawala ako kahadlok, and hope kanang makaya na ko. I'm really thankful na ikaw abot jud ka sa akong life, and imong gi-feel tanan emptiness, and the first place to know na like I'm alone, or marag ako lang isa diri, pero ikaw niabot ko. You made my life so wonderful and colorful, just like a rainbow. Oh. Yeah, I mean it, okay? Tinood na siya. Sa kumala ko isulti man. I hope malipay ka, ani. Bisag kanila ako matag or mabuhat. But I just wanna show you kung how much I like you, how much I'm happy nga naa ka. Every single day, you're the reason behind every smile I have. Nga bisag moody ka or nga na, pero sabot ako. And thanks for loving me. Thanks for showing that I'm so important to you. And I feel ako important sad ko sa imong family, sa imong mama. Na-appreciate na ko tanan yung gibuhat. And I really hope na there is a guy na gihatag ni Lord yun ako. Okay, I don't wanna miss my life or mess my life to those person who's not worth it for me. And wala lang, di na ko ganaglaing pa kung ikaw man gani hatag kung ikaw, pero kung di na ko ganahan naapay lain. Basig gusto na mas I will just choose to be single if dili ka ang guy nga ikaw may hatag na ko. Unsa ba? Ano to siya mahal? I love you and happy Wednesday. Manto na ko kay mag-duty pa ko, magkita pa ta. I hope malipay ka ani. I love you so much. Bye. Tawag na ko.